Nanbabo Kabalen. Welcome to RFamily Pampanga. For today's video, balik po tayo dito sa may Renew, located sa may Mabalacat, Pampanga for their grand opening. Guys, I wanna show you more what happened in this day. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go!
Welcome, Madam Mary Rose Bautista Angulo.
For a prosperous business for Ma'am Mary Rose,
And kasama natin ang owner ng Renew Building at saka ng Renew Lifestyle, even the RFamily KTV. So kasama natin si Ma'am Rose. Hello po. Hello po.
Hello everyone.
Pa-invite naman ma'am, pa-invite po yung mga viewers natin.
Hello po. Come and visit us in Renew Beauty Lifestyle.
Yes.
And we just opened our family KTV.
No? Opo,
Yeah.
opo. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright, so yun nga guys, dito tayo sa third floor nila. This is the third level ng building na to. And dito located yung RFamily KTV. Also in this place is yung kanilang bar, which you can actually order mga cocktails, liquors. Ayan. There you go.
Alright.
So, ayun nga, guys, congratulations Renew Beauty Lifestyle for opening up.
Yes.
And part ng actually establishment na to is yung RFamily KTV bar. So, this is one of their rooms, bro.
Yeah, so isa to sa mga KTV nila.
Yes.
So they have 6 different rooms. Starting from 2,000, pwede namin magstay dito.
There you go.
Yan.
And samplers ng mga menu or dishes nila dito are on our table. These are just their best sellers.
Yes.
Pero grabe, bro, ang dami pa rin.
Actually, ang dami nga talaga. So talagang swak na swak habang nagkumakanta ka,
Yes.
nag-chill ka, pwede ka na rin kumain dito.
So yun nga guys, habang kumakanta yung mga kapitbahay natin dito sa RFamily KTV bar, let's try the food.
Yes.
What do we have on our table, bro?
So on our table, syempre meron tayo dyan yung kanilang sisig,
Whoa!
beef broccoli, meron din tayo kanilang yung tapa na Chinese style.
Yes.
Yes, meron din
Kakaiba
tayo.
yun, ah.
Pang appetizer natin, meron tayong onion rings,
Yes.
potato croquette, tapa sandwich.
Yeah.
Meron din tayo dito yung kanilang chicken fingers, fried ebi, caldereta,
Yeah.
karage, and yung kanilang Taco Tuesday.
Wow. I think I'm on the right side, bro, kasi nasa akin yung caldereta.
Caldereta,
So I'm gonna
yes.
go with this first.
Ako naman, titikman ko yung kanilang potato croquette since wide variety of food ang pwedeng
Food choices,
pagpilian.
exactly.
Yes. Parang flavored potato siya. Na crispy yung outside. At the same time, meron siyang cheese sa loob. So, RFamily KTV bar is located dito sa may taas lang siya ng Renew.
Renew Beauty Lifestyle.
Yes, dito sa may Mabalacat. Wow.
Sisig naman nila, bro, is sisig Kapampangan.
Yes.
You know, doesn't have egg. Very simple. No, yeah. Mainit-init pa.
Yes.
Sarap yan. So yung mga taga Mabalacat, they don't need to go to like Angeles, even yung mga katabing probinsya natin, mga
Yes.
Bamban, Concepcion, they have a KTV now very near to their
Yes, as low as 2,000 pesos, makakapag-stay ka na dito and kanta ka all you want. Yes.
So isa sa mga favorite natin as Filipino is of course tapsilog, mga ganyan. But this time dito sa RFamily, this is medyo may konting medyo may konting
Yes.
touch ng Chinese.
Okay, alright.
Alright, so for our final drink, this is what they call
RFamily cocktail signature. So, ito yung parang, actually, pinagmamalaki nila.
Alright, so again, congratulations Renew Beauty Lifestyle for opening up, and at the same time,
Our Family KTV. So if you're looking for a place to chill,
Yes.
to relax, and to sing along with your family,
Yeah.
pwedeng-pwede dito.
No need to go to congested Angeles City. If you're from this area, you got your own KTV.
Yun.
Stig. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Till our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers.